Okay, the thing about water-based ink is whenever you finish, you want to go ahead and clean everything up immediately. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean up everything immediately. Make sure you open your image area, spray that real good, because you definitely don't want that to ink to dry in that area. And this right here, outside the screen, not as important, but you also want to make sure that's clean, as good as you can get it. And we just flip our screen around. Yeah, just make sure when you finish printing with your water base, take your screen off the press, bring it to your washout booth, and start spraying. Make sure all your tools that you use clean, because this stuff will dry quick. Alright, that should be good. I'm just going to let that sit there and dry. I got a few more bags that I need to run to Hobby Lobby and pick up and print those, but I'll reset my screen back up. It's just a one color job, it won't take long, and it's a done deal. But yeah, that's eco-friendly water-based ink.